Hello, fellas. Welcome back to my channel. I have an interesting topic I want to discuss today. Please pay attention to this video so as not to miss any vital information you will need. I'll be talking about the overall markets right now if you do follow me on a day-to-day basis. Before we dive right into this video, quickly tap on the like button, hit the subscribe button to get more updates, and don't forget to drop a comment for me on what you think about this new update from Cardano. But if we're looking at the markets, guys, Bitcoin was able to push towards a new all-time high. So yay, kudos, give yourself a clap. But if you do follow me on my channel, you guys know that I was expecting this move, obviously going into Monday morning, especially getting the confirmation that Bitcoin closed its daily candle on Sunday. So lovely on that, sorry. But if you're looking at the overall market, obviously with this Bitcoin push toward an all-time high, the entire market is reacting, including ADIA up 1.4%. But let's take a closer look because some interesting things are going on with its overall ecosystem. So if you're looking at the price right now, 74 cents is its current price, up 0.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down about 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. But now, if we're looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $26.1 billion in the 24-hour trading volume, sitting at $776.9 million. So what we're seeing is, compared to yesterday, we have seen the trading volume increasing. So that is nice, of course. We can't complain about that. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Alexander Berner posted this on LinkedIn, and he goes out and says, criminal investigations secured by the Cardano blockchain. Today, the Dubai police presented at the World Police Summit in Dubai an exciting blockchain-based pilot project. The project will showcase how sensitive data from criminal investigations can be shared securely with authorities such as Interpol. Concretely, bullet scans done by a highly sophisticated scanner are shared among international stakeholders on the Cardano blockchain. The blockchain ensures that the data is not tampered with and can be tracked among various stakeholders, making sure that the data can be securely shared and managed in a decentralized network of stakeholders. Stakeholders are becoming more and more relevant in industries from energy defense to IoT. Blockchain technology can be one of the enabling tools for that. And again, Cardano is one of the many other projects that are bringing real-world utility. And this is one of the examples, and a lot of people don't see this. And another project that a lot of people completely don't pay attention to in terms of what it's doing for the real world is VeChain. If you are in the crypto space or if you are a VeChain holder, you know exactly what VeChain is doing. It's doing so much for our environment. And on top of that, it's working with some of the biggest names that we come across in our day-to-day lives. And this is the beauty of blockchain. A lot of projects are going to bring their expertise and their tools, their unique tech. But this is nice, even though it's pilot, but great stuff. But now let's go further and see what's happening. So VTC dominance right now, picking up right now and going up to 54%. Is this a surprise? Not because we are seeing Bitcoin breaking to an all-time high. So wow, just let's look at Bitcoin. I'm not going to move this Fibonacci retracement level toward an all-time high. Right now, I'm going to give it this night. But if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin as of recording this update, it's currently sitting at $71,300. And especially if you look at it on the hourly time frame, it's just a side of complete beauty. Let me just switch it to hourly. And there you are. Just look at that, guys. Beautiful. We don't want to get rid of the fib zone. So what you're looking at is just going to quickly, briefly go over Bitcoin's price. So we did see Bitcoin retest its all-time high 2 different times, but we got a rejection. But this time around, we did finally pop out. And even though we did see a rejection, the fact that Bitcoin was able to close at $68,600. And that gave me an indication that we could see a massive breakout for Bitcoin going into Monday. And it happened sooner than I expected. It's midnight here. So that's lovely stuff to see. So kudos to anyone who picked a Bitcoin as well as any crypto over the past few months. I'm sure people are smiling. And speaking about people smiling, my recent update, which was just yesterday, I got a lot of comments coming in. And the comments are frustrating to even see. And these are, I've been accumulating Cardano for such a long time and it hasn't done anything. Well, right from that statement itself, I hope that these people who are saying that are accumulating more projects, not just Cardano, if you're just picking only Cardano solely in your portfolio and not diversifying your portfolio, then you're damaging your potential returns. No one else is. Don't blame this on anyone else. You are to blame. You need to learn the definition of diversifying, but you're going to get some people that are not fans of it. And again, if you're not a fan of it, that's totally up to you. The opportunities are endless. There are so many other projects. There are a lot of mistakes out there that you could do your due diligence on. But If you're solely mad at the fact that you're seeing the rest of the market exploding right now, but you're not seeing Cardano exploding, then check your portfolio. And if in your portfolio you only have AIDA, then I think you need to strategize your portfolio once again. But if you're looking at Cardano's price right now, once again, let me just shift this to an hourly time frame. So once again, we did see a bounce from the 78.6 zone, exactly from the 78.6 zone. And I know at this point, everyone understands the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is important. But I always want to indicate this. I haven't been just speaking about the 78.6 like a broken record over the past 2 to 3 months for no reason. I want you guys to understand the importance of that and look at it. We did see a pullback today just a few hours back, but we retested the 78.6 and boom, seen. So if you had some buy orders placed in around here to get some data at about 68.7 cents, which is the support line for the 78.6, you did see a bounce of about 8%. So you know it's back to where it left off. So what is this telling us, especially the newcomers coming into the space? What is this telling you? You don't want to get shaken out, especially in a bull market. The trend is bullish right now. And I think the next 12 to 14 months is going to be a bullish upward trend. We might see shakeouts in between. Don't get me wrong. It's not that it's just going to be a straight, pretty line towards the top. We might see shakeouts during the time in between. But the trend, I think, in my opinion, especially speaking historically, I think we are going to be heading in the upwards trajectory. But overall, great stuff happening. Patience, guys. Have patience. Once we do see ADA breaking out, you will see. I promise you guys this. Once this happens, you will see a lot of people mega bullish on EDA. All of a sudden, people are going to just say EDA is the best thing in the world, which is going to be funny to see. And believe it or not, that time is coming sooner than a lot of people think. So targets are the same right now. We're going to take it one step at a time. I don't like discussing all-time highs just right now. I take it one step at a time. Do I believe it has the potential to hit an all-time high? Absolutely, I do. I think, in my opinion, that it has the potential, but we're going to take it one step at a time. It needs to get to some crucial levels before we start discussing all-time highs. That will be all on today's video. Before you go, click on the subscribe button down below to enjoy more interesting updates on the future of Cardano and crypto. If you want us to assist you in creating advertisements or promotions on this channel, kindly check out the email in the description of this video. See you again in our next video.